Hello and good morning. Aji Ami Khan, episode 3. We are here to learn about mutual funds. Aro aji laga topic to ase different types of mutual funds. Mutual funds ikila to vast topic ase aro itu bitor de bi iman bishi asset management companies ase aro iman alag schemes khan ase. So it's a great idea to first understand what mutual funds really do, how they function, aro itu pichiti hi jaiga na nijor la paisa de invest koribo de. Mula nam Shitul Gurung ase aro moi women on wealth community pra ase. Originally moi Nagaland pra hi ase. Moi Nagaland hi schools and college purigena now women on wealth community lot kam kore ase. Aro women on wealth ekta maiki khan la community ase aro yati ami khan maiki khan kiniga paisa manage koribo, kiniga nijor la paisa to grow koribo, kiniga debt free life lead koribo, itu sob la kotha kore. So I'm so glad that apni khan ami la community lo join hoy gana ase aro yati bra nijor laga financial knowledge build kore ase. And I can see Lipokti is here. Hi and welcome. Good morning. Aro aji to ami khan bra types of mutual funds study koribole ase. Okay, so the mutual funds to alag category they divide kora to depends on many different criteria. So itu criteria ekta ami khan kotha korna jabo. Okay, so let's begin. First, depending upon the fund schemes that we have, kiman types laga mutual funds thakibo. Aro itu bra apni khan bra by chance by mutual funds kini ase nole research kuri ase kini bole gole itu terms khan dikhishi gole it will click, right? Acha itu la matlab to itu iniga type la mutual fund ase to itu moi loishi gole itu iniga gonna perform korobo no hoile bi I am signing up for this, right? So that's what you will know. So let's begin. Apne mutual fund documents khan di sadam de ekta term dikhibole parbo open ended funds. Okay, so depending upon the fund schemes, open-ended dikishikulido itu means itu fund itu any time apuni khan entry aro exit korore parbo. Okay, so you can buy anytime, sell anytime. Inia mutual funds to open-ended thake. Now opposite to that is closed-ended funds. Closed-ended funds matlab when the mutual fund open ho jay, initial offering launch hoi jai itu time de kun bar kinishi itu piche de any time ami khan bra itu de ghushi bole parbo ula bole parbo iniga na thage. Okay, so please know that after closure of an initial offer aru dusra investor khan itu lobole na parbo because it's a closed ended, to itu any time enter korna parbo. Okay, so which means that itu de aru any time exit bi korna because it ekta fixed maturity period thake wo itu de, right? So that's why anytime itu ghushi boli bhi na parebo today. So which means there is less liquidity. Less liquidity matlab moi ba paisa ula bole mon jaishi bole fatafat ula boli na parebo. Whereas open-ended funds higher liquidity kile mane itu anytime ami kan ba exit korlo parebo, means anytime ami kan ba scheme ba paisa do ula bole parebo. And opposite and the third kind is interval funds. Interval funds means itu of course anytime exited entry niga nai holi bi once you enter itu de, and it's a combination of closed and open ended funds aro itu de certain intervals khan ahe itu time de ami kan buy and selling korle pare, but not any time, but within the interval that they give us. So that's one thing to know about the kinds of fund, different criteria. Next funds division criteria basis is management of funds. Itu fund to kiniga manage hoy ase. Itula basis to be different types of mutual funds ase. So one kind is the actively managed funds, and as the word suggests, fund managers kan ba iduke actively manage kore, which means tahan ba actively selection kore kundu itu funds de kun securities kan thali bole ase nohili bi stocks kan thali bole ase aro itu ke highly established and educated experts khan to fund managers khan thake. So they're actively managing aru tahan la goal to khali tu thake ki kinia korna the benchmark, because any mutual fund apni anbar bi dikhibo it is performing against a certain benchmark. To itu benchmark ke bi kiniga beat korobo, performance or higher performance dibole ininga thake. So itu de fund managers can actively participate korna takhan securities to manage kore thake. Now as opposed to that, passively managed fund means these are funds itu de fund managers kan bra replicate to korobole koshish kore a certain index. Okay, usually index to ekta collection of securities thake aru itu to benchmark thake, right? So now in passively managed fund managers replicate the index. For example, if you know Nifty 50 for example is an index. It has a list of stocks, okay, 50 top performing stocks, to Nifty 50. So for example itu la against day to tahan bra itu nishina hi fund banabo, itu de ki ase itu same stocks to darina tahan bra fund to banabo, and they will replicate the thing, which means that they are replicating sort of the benchmark. Okay, aro they are also called index funds or exchange traded funds. Itu khan in because passively managed funds can iman active participation nai, because they just replicate it and then let it perform on its own. Then itu laga expense ratio to kumti thake. Expense ratio means previous video te moi pa explain korishe. Expense ratio means it is the fee that we pay for managing our funds, whereas in actively managed funds usually expense ratio to high thake because active involvement of the fund managers, right? Now depending on the asset classes alag type la mutual funds bhi ase. So now let's look at them. Okay, the first mutual fund is, you may hear some people saying I'm invested in a debt fund. Debt fund matlab itu usually fixed income generating securities te hi, instruments te hi paisa to lagai gena ase. Debt funds usually less risky. Aro debt just means amikan bra loan kinia loi, loan loa dem de debt ti jai amikan loan loa dem de, there's an agreement iman paisa lobo aro iman interest itu laga de pay korobo, fixed ekta thake, right? Doesn't fluctuate. So similarly, I mean, for example, government ki amen la paisa invest koribole di ase gule, okay, government ki okay, here take my money, and then itu de iman percentage dibi. So this is like debt fund, low risk funds. तो इनिगा टाइप लगा भी एकता से. आरो दूसरा टाइप लगा फंड तो ऐसे इक्विटी फंड्स. इक्विटी फंड्स की करे स्टॉक मार्केट ते इन्वेस्ट करे. ओके, इतो इक्विटी फंड्स pra. Aro sometimes they may also be known as stock funds because itu fund manager pra paisa do ame la lui gena stock market te invest kori de. And itu mutual funds category de bi equity mutual funds to highest kiba risk to thake because it is investing in the stock market will be highest possibility of generating return itu thake. So no debt funds and equity funds. Next is liquid category funds. Liquid funds bhi koy. Now liquid funds ki thake koile idu maturity date to kumdi thake 1 day to 180 days laga maturity period thake of liquid funds. And सबसे least risky type of fund thake liquid funds. Okay, and usually manukhan ba short goals khan thake chigule aro chutu time de hi within 180 days moi paisa lage will be moi savings account de rakhibole mon nai kole, maybe they can go for liquid fund. People usually do that. Itu te kumdi risk thake will be savings account bra possibility ase olop bishi interest kamabole. So liquid funds, and as the name suggests itu joldi amingan bra withdraw kore paribo. Next category is hybrid funds, and hybrid funds to debt and equity. Debt means fixed income instruments plus equity means stock তো এইটো দুইটালা কম্বিনেশ্যন তে ইনভেষ্টমেণ্ট কৰি দিব আমি আলা ফাণ্ড মেনেজাৰ পৰা so these are hybrid funds so naturally if it's a combination of debt and equity means risk to minimize kori jay it's a medium risk type laga funds khan thake okay so it's if somebody is not sure that apni gan bishi risk uthawole mon nai etia you're not prepared for it aro bishi komdi return and risk pi lobole mon nai koshile maybe hybrid fund apni gan para sabole parebo again very easy to find out you can just google hybrid funds and all these liquid funds or there's a whole lot a host of funds will show up so aji iku nokorishuguli if you are brand new mutual funds sikha do apni brand new koshi it is one action apni an kuribi ajila din de which may be to go online after this session aru tate type koribi liquid funds and olop didi karne udbi puribi okay right now and iki barba sob bujibuli bi para nai boli bi kuno hoy but exposure is important and willingness to learn is important now let's look at the other fund categories aro the next categories the thaga funds kanto it depends on the investment objective each investment has an objective and you would see apuni khan itu mutual fund khan lobuli kinibuli jaise kule fund manager pra fund description di likhe itu fund do ki objective meet koribuli karne ase long term asina short term asina ki ase itu bi di but if you have not been reading then you may have missed it so now let's look at the investment objective based different fund types one is growth fund okay growth fund like the name suggests it's meant to grow our money so we know that equity high risk high return तो growth fund भी equity based funds ase तो इतु कारणे primarily stock market te इतु invest kori dibo fund manager so growth fund high risk high return possibility इतु कारणे stocks te bishi wala fund manager khara focus koribo aro tahan para koshish koribo kuntu stocks better performing nole kuntu sector better performing koribo itu basis te tahan ba actively itu manage kori dibo ami han karne aro itu de profit sharing in the form of dividends hoy companies khan ba kite stocks better perform koribo profit bishi thakibo tahan la investors khan ke profit sharing bi time to time kori thake usually every quarter iniga kori thake but growth fund they usually dividend komti dibo holibi kiman poisa profit sharing bra ahi ase fund manager bra aru itu reinvest kori dibo for your money to continue growing and compounding okay so usually growth funds they dividends kan na hai kile mane ki dividend ayase itu ami ala fund manager bra reinvest kori ase so if you want your money to grow fast aro apni khani irku to beach te income nalagi itia long term karne bishi paisa jama korla asale growth fund is a good option next is value funds itu be equity based funds hi thake which means stocks te hi hoile bi itu stocks particularly fund manager ba try koribo choose kore iniga stocks which are undervalued which means that itia do itu iman bhal performance nahoy hulibi it's only because itu undervalued ase aru future de itu pura bishi value generate koribole paribo tahan fund manager la research pra inika information dishikule to so they look for particularly undervalued stocks aru itu de invest kole try koribo tahan ba okay and usually manokhan kun conservative investors thake they may go for value funds but apni han ba kote value funds in your term hunishe kole do know that itu iniga type laga fund ase okay and these funds also generally give high dividend but upor ba sal de do but these are maybe not good quality stocks inga bhabi thakibo manokhan pra holibi the fund manager knows that these are undervalued, or at least taihan laga attempt to thaki undervalued stocks te dhali bole. Next is income funds. As the name suggests, income funds to tahan pra loy people who want certain income coming in. Okay, these are usually debt funds khan thake. Okay, because you want fixed income. Or debt to ki ase debt funds kan fixed income instruments se paisa to dhale. Okay, that's one. And regular dividends be de, maybe twice, maybe quarterly, half yearly. So if you want apuni la objective to ase moi income generate koribole mon ase koishi kole do, then you look for income funds. Itu de profit sharing hua dem de income be beach te ahi thakibo, which means income doro reinvest no hoy. Okay, remember growth fund de income in the form of dividends was getting reinvested, but in income funds the income is given to you, the investor. Now let's look at the other categories of funds, mutual funds. Now if you hear index funds, okay, what are index funds? Index funds also again itu prado stock market de kun indices koi na plural de index thake itu ke mimic kore, it will try and mirror that. Aro fund managers khan prado itu laga de invest koribo. For example, Nifty 50 de 50 stocks asuguli, Sensex has 30 stocks. To itu fund manager pra iniga index banabo that itu similar type of stocks they invest korbo, but it will just replicate the index. Okay, or again index p bishi alag type laga ase. Next is exchange traded funds. Apni an by ETF be dekhi bole pabo. ETF, exchange traded fund, itu be index funds hi ase essentially, aro tahando stock market te listed ase and you can just buy one. Aro ETFs to passively manage because already to fund to banai na ase to apuni invest jai na ki if you want moi itu wala index wala lobuli mona ase koile you can just buy that. So actively manage da banai na di na set banai na dia nishina apuni bardo jani na ase ke to iniga fund ase bole to you just go and buy it and keep buying it, right? So to exchange traded fund or it be bishi alag type laga ase. The next is sectoral or thematic funds. Now what does this mean? It will be the equity fund. The same equity again means stock market related fund. It is focused on a certain sector or theme. For example, stock markets they FMCG sector ekta ase, you know, all the what do I say, HUL, right? Or fast moving consumer goods laga companies khan, all the shampoos and food that we buy, you know, all of these are FMCG products. So it was saying, now let's say we have stocks like Infosys, Tata Elxsi, or all the IT related companies, IT industry la companies. तो इनिगा अलग sector laga theme based funds bhi thakibo. Let's say you want to primarily apni invest kole mona se IT sector de kole, then IT sector related stocks itu laga ekta equity funds thakibo. To ini ana theme based bi nijor laga research pra koi ase kole, okay, itu investment do better perform koribo kole sector. And you can choose a sector. You know, there are cement sectors, paint sector, okay, or cars la sector, automobile sector, right? Like, so many to sector based bit over parabo. Then next is tax saving funds. Apni khan laga target to khali tax saving korle ase kore to then equity linked plan thakibo ELSS. মিউচুৱেল ফাণ্ডছ দিবি খালি ELSS পৰা আমি আনকে ট্যাক্স সেভিং দে মদত কৰিব ওকে তো আপুনি গান মিউচুৱেল ফাণ্ড দিবি ইনভেষ্ট কৰিলে মন আছে হলিবি ট্যাক্স বি সেভ কৰিলে মন আছে কৰি দো ELSS তো ইকুইটি লিংকড প্ল্যান দো ল'বলৈ লাগিব আৰু হলিবি ইটোতে জানিবলৈ থাকাটো ট্যাক্স বেনিফিটটো পাই বাট 3 years laga lock in period bhi ase invest korle to 3 saal aki di to paisa ulal na paribo so that's what it is the next is international funds international funds are again funds which invest outside India India de hi boigena foreign country di thaka khan funds kan recently I mean last Thursday I think Priyanka bra into types of international fund laga bhi ami han ba yate hi women on wealth page de ami han bra detail de kotha bhi korina ase so you can go check out that video as well this week laga hi video ase Thursday laga investment mastery series se aro so basically apnan India de thake na foreign companies te invest kole mona ase kore to look for international funds okay then the last type of fund we will talk about today last type of fund was say retirement or children funds itu solution oriented and mainly targeting these categories of fund apni retirement bhabi ase children fund which were long term mutual funds kan bhabi ase goli do itu bi ekta fund type ase itu de usually 5 year laga lock in period thake which means 5 year laga akide paisa do lano paribo so another term you're learning is lock in matlab 5 years 3 years la lock in ase gole do itu laga aki di do paisa ulawali na paribo okay so that's what it is aji laga discussion de do ami hanbra types of mutual funds explore korishe aro kun itu video ite live sai ase noheli bi recording saise gole likhi dibi apuni aji ki learn korna jai ase okay aro women on wealth te do ahi thakibi aro itu video bi share koribi ami khan knowledge to Nagaland Northeast laga friends brothers and sisters tak pongchai dibi okay because tate knowledge nai ami khan pishi wala manu khan ba investing korobole mona ase kuli knowledge na thakar ba boyase dibi aji ami investing nokori shikule ami life laga dangor goals to khinia pungchi bole okay so we have to be smart intelligent aro sob manu yati taha khan sai ase koisu gole to please video to share kori dibi aro manu khan gibi nijor la surrounding de taha manu educate kori bole modot koribi ami khan women on wealth te money gym program ami khan northeast sisters khan bi run kore se itu laga information itu kinia kona apni an bi money gym program for your financial education lobule paribo itu janibole mona ase kole itu video la description de moi ba form laga link thalina ase to form fill up koribi aro ami gan ba apni an ke contact korobo again women on wealth te ami gan every day kibi live videos kan anibole koshish kore itu bra ami gan la knowledge bari bole ami khan laga mindset build hole habits build hole and primary very important that maiki khan bra bi kuri ase de itu encouragement pabole dusra maiki khan ba kuri ase bole moi ba bi koribole parbo aro finance to ekta system ase itu system to kun laga hatte aibo or follow koribo tahan para nijor laga financial path to bhal gona chulibole paribo okay so just know get your hands on that system aro itu system to money gym program ase money management or investing to start korole so thank you all aji aha karne aro video sa karne comment bi thali thakibi aro share kori thakibi aro next Saturday bi 11 am de ami khan ba NAV mutual funds se NAV ki ase itu laga hikibole ahibo so thank you and have a great weekend take care bye bye